Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you the best audio recorder and microphone device in terms of portability and connectivity. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you are seeing I'm holding one audio recorder which acts as an audio recorder and also as a microphone device, and this microphone is very convenient and very useful in portability also because it's light in weight, easy to carry from one place to another. Even you can take it in the pocket, and even in connectivity is a master face. That means it has multi-port connections options. So let me introduce you. It's a Zoom H1 that I'm holding right now. So you can purchase any Zoom audio recorder. You can purchase the Zoom H2, H5, H6, whatever you want, depending upon your price or the budgets that you are willing to spend on this kind of Zoom audio recorder products. So why I'm saying it's the best audio recorder and microphone device in terms of portability and connectivity is that you can see here mic output, so that you can listen what you are recording directly by connecting your headphones or the earphones. And even you can see in the right side there is a 3.5 again audio jack output, so that you can insert here 3.5 mm audio jack by connecting our external lavalier mic too. Even you can connect using this port with your DSLRs or any camcorders, even the video cameras too. And even you can see here there's lots of options and buttons, so I'm not going to talk about these buttons. And even you can see here there is a mini USB port by using which you can connect it with your computer devices or any other external devices which support this kind of USB connecting ports. So it's very light in weight in compared to others. And even you can see here there's a tripod mount stand, so you can just mount this microphone even in the tripod. So in terms of connectivity, it has some multi options which is lacking in most of the costly microphones or the audio recorders. So in my point of view, in terms of portability and connectivity, it's one of the best audio recording devices which is provided by the Zoom company. And the Zoom is mainly based from the Japan, so they built a very convenient way, and the connectivity options you are getting in the Zoom audio recorders are mind-blowing. So if you want to use your audio recorder for your multi-purposes, say for your office, for your educational purpose, or for creating videos for your YouTubes or for bloggings, you can use this kind of audio recorder which is a multi-connectivity options, and it's one of the best in case of multi-connectivity options. So you can do one more thing also. You can just attach a ear muffs. Even you can just, for the windshields, you can just connect this kind of and purchase, and you can use it like the normal microphones for your interviews and anything. And even a good thing about this audio recorder is that it has an inbuilt micro SD card slots too, so you can use this audio recorder both wired and wirelessly too, and you can even record and save it in the micro SD cards too, and later you can sync or transfer to your computers or laptops. So I think there are very few companies which can provide this kind of connectivity in a single audio recording devices. So in my opinion, you should definitely check this audio recorder if you're really in a need of portability and great connectivity options. So I've been testing this audio recorder for a long time, and the audio output I'm getting from this Zoom H1 is really fantastic. So if you're a blogger, or if you are a creator, or if you are in need for the official purpose, or if you are a reporter even who likes to record and take in interviews, then this is a good to go for you. So try it out by yourself, and I'll be leaving its purchase link to in the video description, so you can click there and check out this audio recorder devices. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.